Hey everyone, did you know that dropping your Galaxy S25 Edge just once could cost you a fortune in repairs? But don't worry, I've got your back. Today we're checking out the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases that not only protect, but also add style and functionality to your phone. Whether you're after premium leather, rugged armor, or slim minimalist designs, there's something for everyone. All the links are in the description, so check them out. And let me know in the comments, which case do you think is the perfect fit for your lifestyle? On number 6, Ocase Strong Magnetic Leather Case, Elegance with Practical Functionality. The Ocase Strong Magnetic Leather Case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is a premium choice for users who want to combine style, protection, and functionality in one sleek package. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, it provides a sophisticated, luxurious look that feels great in hand while maintaining excellent durability. Integrated strong magnets ensure seamless MagSafe compatibility, making it easy to snap on wireless chargers and magnetic accessories without removing the case. Despite its slim profile that preserves the Galaxy S25 Edge's sleekness, the case doesn't compromise on essential protection against minor drops and scratch. The adjustable kickstand enhances convenience by offering versatile viewing angles for both portrait and landscape modes, ideal for video calls and media consumption. However, while it excels in style, the case doesn't provide the rugged drop protection found in competitors like the Taurus Strong Magnetic and Seamless Stand Case, which includes military-grade certification. The faux leather material, though visually impressive, may show signs of wear with extended use, and the limited color options might not appeal to users seeking more variety. Still, for professionals and style-conscious individuals who don't need heavy-duty defense, this case offers excellent value at a competitive price, blending aesthetics and day-to-day functionality in an elegant design that enhances the overall Galaxy S25 Edge experience. On number 5, Ringke Onyx MagSafe Case, affordable MagSafe protection in a slim package. The Ringke Onyx MagSafe Case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge delivers an impressive balance of affordability, functionality, and essential protection, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious users who want modern features. Constructed from durable TPU material, it offers a slim, lightweight profile that fits comfortably in hand without adding bulk. The textured, oil, and dirt-resistant surface not only enhances grip, but also keeps the case looking clean and fresh during daily use. Raised bezels around the camera and precise cutouts ensure both device safety and easy access to all ports and buttons. While the integrated MagSafe compatible magnet array provides seamless compatibility with MagSafe accessories, a rare feature in this price range. Though the case performs admirably in everyday use, some users have found the hard edges uncomfortable during prolonged one-handed use, especially affecting the pinky finger. Additionally, MagSafe functionality is only available in black, limiting color choices. When compared to the Spigen Liquid Air, which offers a more ergonomically friendly grip and textured buttons, the Ringke Onyx stands out for its superior magnetic compatibility and strong grip, despite falling slightly short in overall comfort. Priced competitively, it's a fantastic option for users seeking essential protection, reliable MagSafe functionality, and a slim modern aesthetic without breaking the bank. On number 4, UAG Armor Gear UAG Dot Series Case Rugged Protection in a Stylish Design. The UAG Armor Gear UAG Dot Series case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge in Ash is a top-tier option for users looking for military-grade protection without sacrificing a sleek modern appearance. Crafted from a co-molded blend of translucent polycarbonate and TPU, this case features a feather-light yet extremely durable construction, delivering robust protection that meets military drop standards with certified 15-foot, 4.6 meters drop resistance. Its integrated MagSafe compatible magnetic module ensures seamless wireless charging and easy attachment of MagSafe accessories, while the textured anti-slip dot pattern not only adds a unique visual touch, but also significantly enhances grip, reducing accidental drops during daily use. Oversized tactile buttons and precise cutouts allow effortless access to all controls and ports. In real-world usage, this case performs admirably, offering superior drop protection while maintaining a slim, stylish profile. Compared to the more budget-friendly Ringke Onyx, the UAG Dot series case provides enhanced durability and a distinctive translucent aesthetic, although it comes at a higher price and with limited color options. While the translucent design may not appeal to users preferring fully opaque cases, for those prioritizing premium premium materials and serious protection, the UAG Dot series offers a perfect balance of form and function at a price that reflects its high-quality design. On number 3, Ocase Wallet Case. Premium convenience and stylish everyday protection. The Ocase Wallet Case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge combines elegant styling with everyday practicality, making it an excellent choice for users seeking convenience, protection, and added functionality. Crafted from premium PU leather, the case offers a soft, luxurious feel while providing durability against daily wear. Its flip folio design includes integrated card holders for storing essential cards and cash, while an RFID blocking layer adds an extra layer of security, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized scans. The shockproof TPU inner shell offers reliable protection against minor drops and impacts, ensuring your device remains safe without compromising on style. A built-in kickstand enhances usability, allowing for hands-free video calls and media viewing at comfortable angles. While users appreciate the overall functionality, some have noted that the magnetic clasp could be stronger, occasionally leaving the case slightly open, and the card slots may stretch over time with frequent use. Compared to higher-end competitors like the Shieldon Genuine Leather Case, which features genuine leather but comes at a higher price, the Ocase Wallet Case stands out for delivering comparable functionality and style at a more affordable price point. It's particularly well-suited for professionals and everyday users who prioritize convenience, making it a practical and stylish solution for enhancing the Galaxy S25 Edge experience. On number 2, Ringke Fusion Case. Clear, clean, and perfectly balanced minimalist protection. The Ringke Fusion Case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is an ideal choice for users who prefer to showcase their phone's original beauty while still enjoying reliable protection. Made from a durable hybrid of polycarbonate and flexible TPU, this case offers a slim profile that preserves the sleek design of the S25 Edge without adding bulk. The clear back panel remains crystal clear over time, resisting yellowing, and proudly displays the device's natural aesthetics. Raised bezels around the screen and camera offer additional protection against scratches and minor drops, while precise cutouts ensure full access to ports and responsive button control. The case supports wireless charging and is compatible with MagSafe accessories, making it highly versatile. In real-life usage, users appreciate the snug fit and premium clarity, although some have found the case slightly slippery, which can affect grip during one-handed use. The transparent back is also prone to showing fingerprints. Compared to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, the Ringke Fusion holds its own with a slimmer, more affordable design while maintaining solid protection for daily use. For users who prioritize aesthetics, convenience, and light protection, the Ringke Fusion is a well-rounded, cost-effective option that enhances the Galaxy S25 Edge experience without hiding its original design. On number 1, Spigen Tough Armor AI MagFit Protection. Unmatched rugged protection with modern features, the Spigen Tough Armor AI MagFit case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is the ultimate solution for users who demand maximum protection and cutting-edge functionality. Built with a durable dual-layer structure, combining a tough polycarbonate exterior and shock-absorbing TPU interior, it's further reinforced with Spigen's AI-enhanced XRD foam, rigorously tested through over 80,000 simulations to ensure top-tier drop protection. The integrated MagFit system provides flawless compatibility with MagSafe and other magnetic accessories, allowing seamless wireless charging and easy attachment of various gadgets. A built-in kickstand adds hands-free convenience for watching videos or joining video calls without the need to hold your device. While the case adds noticeable bulk and is available in limited color options, its rugged design is perfect for users prioritizing device safety over minimalism. Compared to the UAG Pathfinder magnetic case, which also provides military-grade protection, the Spigen Tough Armor stands out for its slimmer profile and lower price point, without compromising on essential protective features. Though its design might not suit those preferring a sleek, lightweight case, for professionals, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want maximum security and everyday usability, this case remains one of the most reliable and feature-rich options available for the Galaxy S25 Edge. So which case fits your style and needs best? Let me know your pick in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. All the links are in the description. Go grab your perfect case today and keep your Galaxy S25 Edge safe and stylish.